had to break up these videos because you'd have a super long video, and I don't know, you know, you guys take a break. You want to check out the links below, go to Ali, see if they're still available, and get some of these fantastic dies. Anyway, we're going to start off back with Beki Cat. And let me show you what I have. Again, a plethora of die cuts and projects and fun. Alrighty, so let's start off with, oh, this too. This is a project. This is a project. Alrighty. Let's start off with the house die. So this die here it comes with these pieces. Let me zoom it in. It comes with these little stitch edges, and it's really cool. This die measures almost 5.5 square, and the houses are like around 1.5, 1.5. They're really cool. This is a really nice set. I made this lovely shaker, which took me forever to make. So I don't like my shaker bits in it, but it's a shaker card. Christmas in July. Open it up and see, I put the piece in here. Look at that. And wishing you a never-ending season of love and cheer. So we have that, and we have this. It's a nice card. I will be sending this to somebody. I popped it up on foam for dimension. And cool, 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 cool. Cool beans. So this paper, I should have done it higher actually. Yeah, I should have popped it up higher. And so it would have more space to, but look how you can stack the houses and create a scene with the trees. I love this. So that's this die. That's number 1. Next up we have, let's go into this one here. And that's this set of dies, which I showed you in the last video. There we go. And this one here measures 5 inches. So that's 5 inches. And the smaller one on the inside, that one measures 3.25 inches. And then your circle here, 2.5. And this little doodad, 1.75. So these are the dies. They're great doily dies. And not only are they just doily dies, they come with layering pieces, internal layering pieces, which I love because you can use this for everything else. So it's like getting a bonus. So we have that. And with it, I did the large one here. This is a little shaker embellishment. Hello Kitty for a birthday. Yoo-hoo! And so I popped it up on some glitter cardstock. Hello Kitty, Hello Kitty. Again, my Hello Kitty paper from Joann's. And I think that is so cute. And then let's see. So that's that one. And then here, I used this same die, the large, as I used here. But here, I turned it into a topper. So I just scored it in half, just scored it down the middle, and pop it on for a gift for a crafty friend. And here I just layered up. That's the little label. That's this, the little label. Let's get the label. Focus, focus, focus. There we go with the label. That's the little label. And look at that. And then this is a flower die from my stash, and this is a cupcake die. Can't remember where. And then this is a little die too from Memory Box. But I try to use a cupcake paper, and I think it's just so cute. So I did it as an embellishment, and I did it here as a bag topper, and then also, of course, you saw this one in the last video on a slimline card. So that's this one. That's the smaller size, if I can get it up. It's this size used in here. So see, 3 different ways for the same die. Lots of uses, and it's super pretty. Alrighty, so that's one. Next up we have, let's see, we have this. 2, I'm going to combine 2 into 1. So we have these little projects here, which which I simply adore. Let me pop this up here. Okay. Thank you for watching. And this is like a little cloud edge. It is super, super cute. So let me show you what that looks like. See the scallop edge on the die? That's super cute. Cuts well. Then we have the Polaroid piece. Let me go back out. Then we have the Polaroid piece that fits into it. And then we have a smaller Polaroid. So you get these three. And then you get words. Let's go back down. There we go. We have happy, hugs, smile, B-Day, thank, you, and let me push this up. Hug, smile, B-Day, thank you, happy, and love. Did I get love? I don't think I got love. I can't see love. Love, you, love you, thank you, birthday, and you can do happy birthday or just happy, hugs, and smile. So this is adorable, adorable. So here I used hugs here on this one. You simply cut the die. Here is hugs on a shaker. Let me get closer to it so you can see my little shaker, all the little bits. And this is a paper from Joann's, and I put the hugs here, just little die cut pieces. This heart came out of this die, so I'm you know, recycling bits and pieces. Let me get this out of the way because I think it's bugging my camera. And that's hugs. So that's that one. And then this one here is thank you. And this is a die from Sizzix from their chapter 2 release. I had to get it. It was at Hobby Lobby, and it's a gorgeous die. Now there was a few YouTubers who had layered it up with glitter like this. But look at that. Isn't that great? You can just pop it on a card, put it in a scrapbook layout, and how you do it is you cut the piece first, and then when you're running it through, you just drop this in right here, or by itself, drop it in here. Or you could tape it and then run it through. So, you know, you have options. And then I change the paper so it looks different in the back. Here I outlined it different. Here's just the paper in the back. So those are those two, which I love. And then I also did just the background. So this is a background by itself here. And you gotta watch the video so you can hear about the giveaway. And look at that, isn't that cute? And that's this die, little hearts. It measures, I'll tell you in a second, cuts all those bits out, it cuts it well. 4 by 3 1/4, 4 by 3 1/4. So that fits perfectly inside of this. Look at that. That's just a simple embellishment, but doesn't this say a lot by itself? I didn't even want to put any words. I just put a glitter cardstock, that little cloud rainbow die there, and then that's it. Cute, cute, cute. Oh, and then the last example is this one. So you can just use the Polaroid piece. Here I did it there for a little bee layout. With the bees and the beehive and the happy. Isn't that cute? And you can also put a picture in here, but you know, I didn't want to put a picture. I just was playing and more playing with paper. And look at all that great detail. See all that stitching? That's some great detail. The glitter doesn't show it, but trust me, it works. Alrighty, so we have that. So that's another great set. Lots of possibilities. Lots of fun. And then the last one is this one, and she gives you 2 of the same thing. It does both of them do say handmade with love. Here we go. There we go. Handmade with love. And she does give you 2. So you get 2 of them. Same exact thing. Handmade with love. Alrighty. So you put it down there, and then she gives you two, but there's two different pieces here. Here you have the pierced, that's the pierced. This one is a pierced edge, and then this one is little hearts, little tiny little hearts. You see them? Little tiny little hearts. And then they both come with these little toppers to tie. So let me show you what I made with these puppies. I did 2 projects. Ha-ha! Turn it over. And these 2, I made 2 goodie boxes. Oh, wait, come on. There we go. I made 2 goodie boxes with the Crafter's Companion picnic box and the Crafter's Companion milk carton. Now, this I'm going to open, so that's why you have to kind of glue that together. But you get the gist. Really, I'm here talking about the tag anyway, aren't I? So this one, I did, you know, isn't that cute? And I layered it up, 3 different colors. And it's very easy to do. Here is, I'm using this box, which is really nice. 3 by, call it 3 by 4. So in here, in the box, you can put, as you know, you do see lipstick on it. So in it, look how much things fit in the, you can put all your, you can put a gift for a friend. All the little lip glosses and lipsticks. There we go. So we have all of that, and there's still space in here to fit a lot. Look at that. So that's that one, which I was, this was fun. And this box is a great thing too. And then this is the picnic box. I don't have anything in the picnic box. Now here, I was showing you how you can do it 2 ways. You can take out everything out of it, out of the die, or you can put it back in. Put it back in means put in these pieces along with the word, which I think is cute because this is from silver matte foil. And then, so I have the glitter here, Hello Kitty here in a purple box, the little picnic box, which is, call it 4 1/4 by 3. And look at that, isn't that nice? That is so nice. Look at all that detail. And it cuts out clean, 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 clean. Love it, love it, love it. So this is one you can use to put on your gifts. And oh, I had 2 more. This one here, but I didn't like this one. And then I also did it here. I was just playing around with it just to see, you know, color combinations. So that's with purple, favorite color here. And here, look at that, adorable, adorable. Alrighty, so that's all of the projects here for this one. On to the next video.